In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process PDFs with Grok AI. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by the task of extracting information from a PDF, don't worry. This guide will make it simple and efficient. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's essential as our journey begins with a quick online search. Once you're on the Google homepage, simply click on the search bar and type in the word Grok. Grok AI is a powerful tool designed to help you process and analyze PDF documents with ease. So finding and accessing the Grok website is our next goal. You'll then see a list of search results. Look for the official Grok website and click on the link. This action will direct you to Grok's homepage where all the magic happens. Once there, you'll want to locate the clip icon, which is an indicator for uploading documents. Click on this icon to start the process of uploading your PDF. After clicking, you'll see a prompt that allows you to select a PDF from your device. Navigate through your files and choose the PDF document you wish to process. Once you've selected the appropriate file, upload it to the site. This action is key as it enables Grok AI to access the content within your PDF and set the stage for the next step. Now, with your PDF successfully uploaded, it's time to create a prompt for Grok AI. Think of this prompt as a specific task or question you want Grok to help you with. For instance, if you need a summary of a business report, simply type, "Summarize this business report," into the prompt field. This clear directive tells Grok exactly what you need, allowing the AI to focus its analysis accordingly. With your prompt ready, it's time to move forward by clicking the Submit button. This action sends your request to Grok AI, initiating the processing of your PDF based on the prompt you provided. Grok will now work its magic, applying advanced algorithms to digest the document and deliver the information or summary you need. And there you have it. You've successfully processed a PDF using Grok AI in just a few straightforward steps. This powerful tool can save you time and effort, making it easier to extract and understand information from complex documents. By following these instructions, you're not only streamlining your workflow, but also leveraging the capabilities of Grok AI to enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching, and happy processing.